This portable power station solar generator adopts authoritative certification automotive-grade power cell. With 75,000 mAh large capacity and long service life, 277.5 watts-hours provides long-lasting battery life for a variety of equipment: laptop, light, tablet, phone, drone, camera, car, fridge, making outdoor life more secure. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stay powered. Be prepared for family emergency. Reliable backup battery power supply for solving the charging and lighting of household equipment. Plug and play. Not afraid of the dark. Generators for home use to keep your home security system light and phone charged without fear of power outages caused by hurricanes, wildfires, floods, and tornadoes. Number 2. An important partner for RV camping. The power generator with 75,000 mAh can solve the problem of long-distance self-driving outdoor camping charging and power consumption, making outdoor travel better. Enjoy your adventures camping with this portable camping generator. Number 3. Make travel and work more convenient. No matter where you are, you can charge your computer, mobile phone, camera, and other work electronic devices with the portable power station at any time, making it more convenient for you to travel and work. Number 4. Cpap battery backup. Flylinktech power station has 2 ways to power your Cpap machine: 110 volts AC or 12 volts DC plug. We strongly recommend that Cpap users use a DC converter to work with this power station and turn off or remove the heater, humidifier. Number 5. 75,000 mAh 277.5 watts-hours large capacity and high-rate charge and discharge lithium battery. This CK100 power station with a large capacity to provide long-lasting battery life for a variety of electrical equipment, making outdoor life more secure. Powerful enough to charge phone around 37 hours recharges. Charge for GoPro camera around 56 hours recharges. 12 inches MacBook around 15 recharges, 32 inches TV around 4 hours, mini refrigerator around 3.5 hours, drone around 15 recharges, LED lights around 50 hours. Number 6. Multifunctional outputs of solar outdoor generator. The portable power station of CK100 design with 2 AC power outlets, 4 USB output ports, 1 DC output, and 1 DC input can power your smartphones, tablets, laptops, cameras, lights, drones, fans, car appliances, Cpap machines, etc. at any time. Solve for your long journey, RV self-driving, outdoor camping, etc. Number 7. Compact portable smart battery management system. The CK100 power station is more portable than a similar solar outdoor generator, only 5.07 pounds. And 8.66 by 6.3 by 4.72 inches. You can easily carry it wherever you are. Built-in voltage stabilizer. Pure sine wave output, stable and non-damaging, protect power supply equipment. Lithium batteries have overcharge, undervoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection functions to ensure safe use. Number 8. 3 charging methods. Environmentally solar generator. CK100 portable power station can be charged through a wall charger, which can be fully charged in about 7 hours. Can be fully charged in about 10 hours with a car charger. Also can be charged by a solar charging panel, which can be fully charged in about 10 hours. We can easily put it in our backpacks or car. Take this camping generator with you on the go and never worry about power shortage. Number 9. Package and warranty. The 300 watts portable power station is a good assistant for camping, traveling, fishing, other outdoor activities, and emergencies. We provide you with a 24-month warranty to make your after-sales worry-free, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What devices can Flylinktech CK100 power? Answer. Please note that the AC output can only charge devices less than 300 watts. Once exceeded, the CK100 portable power generator will be in protection mode. Need to charge it by wall charger to reset it. Please check out the operating power of your device before use. Question number 2. How to calculate the working time for your devices? Answer. AC output working time equals 277.5 watts-hours the power of your device. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.